Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I will show you how to go anonymous on Reddit. First, open your Reddit app or website and log into your account. Now tap on your profile and click on the arrow button beside your username. Now you will see your account and anonymous browsing. Click on the anonymous browsing to enable it. Once enabled, Reddit will now let you browse posts and communities without linking the activity to your profile. You can still search, scroll, and explore content privately while anonymous browsing is turned on. It has some limitations, such as you cannot chat with anyone or your inbox will not be available. And whenever you want, you can switch back to your normal account again. That's it. That's how you can browse Reddit anonymously. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.